Hi, everybody, and I'm delighted to welcome you on our webinar or JFD Live to talk about from offline to online with a very inspiring and powerful woman. And we have also some men with us, and we need more than ever to have more women in digital.
This is indeed an opportunity. This COVID-19 outbreak is definitely an opportunity as well to try to reinvent the world and reinvent companies, and it's an opportunity for all of us to construct a new world, and maybe this time around a little bit faster, more swiftly. So things that took a really long time before are now going to happen perhaps overnight.
How we are working now in this COVID crisis. As you know, the EU is going through a very critical situation, both healthily and economically, and the Parliament cannot stop. We now have to rely on technology more than ever. This crisis has accelerated the digital transformation of our work and lives in many ways. It is happening fast, but it will never be as slow as today. And we need to be ready for it. For me, the critical issue is education. 40% of today's children will work tomorrow in jobs that don't exist.
If we want to change the world, we need to start by changing education. We need more women in STEAM. That's a fact.
Also, what I would like to highlight as a tech, I would say, company, is that we see how important is the digital gap.
So we usually connect remotely anyway, at least the board members.
Very honored to be among very impressive women today. We are trying to be at the forefront of a lot of diversity and inclusion themes. And that's why we're probably the tech company with the highest percentage of women among our ranks. We have almost the same parity for the board of directors. We have the same parity for very senior leaders.
There's a chance to learn also from the way, we protect the employees, the way we engage, with the customer. A lot of positive things. The fact that we have a lot of creativity, we invent, the way we are working, we interconnect,
So therefore, encourage also to have more women into those new policy decision making.